What's going on, guys? Francis Abogone here with another video on how to make money online. So if you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and tick that bell icon so that you'll be notified of any videos that I release when I release them. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and drop your comments in the comment section down below. I'll be sure free to help you out through your entrepreneurial journey. So without any further ado, let's jump right into the topic of today, and I will show you guys how to make money on Instagram with affiliate marketing. Talking about $500 to $1,000 a month. Just getting a side income can go a long way. If you really want to make this a full-time income, you'll be ready to scale it to at least $5,000 to $10,000 per month, which is also achievable. So I'll encourage you guys to stay to the end of this video because I have a bonus tip for you at the end of this video. So in getting started, we're going to be looking at affiliate marketing. What is affiliate marketing? Some people ask that question. If you're a newbie here and you don't know what affiliate marketing is, it's just making a commission and selling other people's product. These products can either be digital or it can be a physical product. It can be a t-shirt, it can be an ebook, it can be a course online and all those cool stuff. And for a note here, this is not a get rich quick scheme. This is not making money online as a scam, or this is not something that you just jump right in and start making money right off the bat and all that. Some people just want to jump in after a week or a month. They want to be making money. If you're in for that, this is not for you. This needs a little bit of work, and this is something you can do for quite some time and start seeing success with. Start seeing real success with. So I'll be looking at some pros and cons on affiliate marketing and why I really like this business model. Some of the pros I just laid out here is that there's no age limit, and you can be 16 years old, you can be 14 years old, you can be 20, you can be 30, 40, 50, 60. It doesn't have any age limit. There's no limit as to what you can do with affiliate marketing online. You can get started at any time, any day, and any age at all. Because right now affiliate marketing is at its peak, it's booming very well, and it's making a lot of people on the internet money as the day goes by. And you can do this with little or no startup cost at all. You need some cash to help you fast track your way in making money using this business model, or in affiliate marketing in general. You need a little bit of cash to help you fast track. Or if you don't have any money to spend, let's say you're 16 or you're 14, you don't have a job or you don't have any way to get money, you can also do this strategy. The only thing is we'll be looking at it at the disadvantages area, or the other area, which is the con. And one good thing I like about this again is that it is scalable. It's scalable to any number. You can scale it to $5,000, $10,000, $20,000, $50,000 per month. That's one interesting thing I like about this. So let's look at the con section. The only disadvantage, or the only strenuous thing I can say about this business model, is that it takes a little bit of time and your effort. You'll be putting in the work almost every day. You'll be posting and trying to get engagement between your audience and all those cool stuff. Just that it takes a lot of time, and time is what some people don't have. And making money online has to do with time. You need to put in the work. I don't see it like cons, but I just put it out because some people, I just lay this out because some people might be seeing it like a difficult task for them to go with. Another thing is it can be frustrating when you lack focus and persistency, when you're not focused. Some people are not focused, which you all know, and you need to be focused. If you know you're not going to be focused, this will not work for you. But this only works for people that are focused, and sometimes it may be slow and frustrating. The growth will be slow, and this is especially when you don't have any capital in place, or maybe when your capital is very, very little, or you don't have any money at all to put into this business model. It's going to be very slow, and frustrating will be there as well. So if you are persistent and focused, you can get through that stage, because you'll be trying different methods to see how your business grow. So in getting started, the first thing you might want to be looking at is researching on a niche. You have to pick out a niche you'll be going into. This niche can either be on healthy living, it can be on pets. Maybe you're talking about dogs or cats, monkeys, donkeys, horses, rabbits, whatever it is. Or it's a sport. Maybe you're talking about basketball, football, volleyball, whichever thing, or entertainment, or you're talking about camping and hunting, or luxury, those that like luxurious things like luxury boat cruise or diamonds, or you're talking about vacation, it can be anything. You can just pick a particular niche that you're interested in, and you can engage, or you can engage or your audience with, a particular niche that you can really work with and you enjoy talking about or posting about. You can just pick that niche, then open an Instagram account. Then another thing I recommend you do again is to sign up for different affiliate programs like Amazon, Market Health, Jumia. You can find a lot of them on offervault.com. Go to offervault.com. I'm going to be putting a link in the description on all these listings I'm just giving out here, that you can just click and you can sign up for different affiliate programs there. And another thing you do after signing up for this affiliate program is to grow your Instagram account. So I'm going to give you some tips here on how you can grow your Instagram account, especially with the type of tools you use like Buffer or Hootsuite to schedule your post on Instagram. Buffer or Hootsuite helps you post or schedule posts that if you want to post within a week time or 2 weeks or within a month time. And the amount for these tools are not that expensive. That's why I was saying that you need little amount of money to put into the business. But if you don't have that amount of money to pay for tools, maybe the scheduler tools like Buffer and Hootsuite, maybe you can do it yourself and post regularly if you have the time. This actually is for those that don't have the time or that don't want to put in that work, and you can just schedule the post ahead of time and the tools will do this for you. Another tip I will give you to help grow your account is connecting with other bigger accounts in your niche. Connecting with them, exchanging value. I don't know, you may tell them you have something to do for them, maybe a service for them to post your handle on their post, or to connect with them so they can help you grow by adding your handle on some of their posts. So when people click on it, they come to your own account and maybe they follow you like that. By so doing, you get unique followers. The essence of this business model is to get unique followers on your Instagram account, and make sure you post daily. It's very, very important you post daily on your Instagram account. This also helps the Instagram algorithm to identify your account like as an active account and help you grow and put your post ahead of others that don't post frequently, and see what your competitors are doing, see what other people are doing out there, and you can implement similar things as to what they are doing to help your business grow. So let's look at some accounts, some examples of some accounts that are doing very well on Instagram, like Slayers Only. Slayers Only have about 525,000 followers, and you can see what they are doing here. They're posting pictures of beautiful women, and you can see their the affiliate link that is being cloaked using Google Shortener. This is an affiliate link for AliExpress.com. AliExpress owned by Alibaba. So this is being cloaked by Google Shortener, which I'll be talking about very soon, and then I'll be talking about it very soon. So this is how you do it. You just get an Instagram account, create an Instagram account, you post regularly, and you grow your Instagram account, and you just put your affiliate link on the bio section, because your affiliate link cannot exist on your post. This is another Instagram account with over 1.1 million followers. Actually, this Instagram account, they only drive traffic to their website right here. They drive traffic to your website, and that is how they monetize as well. Some people might be asking about how many followers do they need on Instagram. Do they need about 1,000, 20,000, 100,000, or 1 million followers on Instagram? And to me, my own opinion, or what I think is that what matters here is the type of followers you have. If you have unique followers, you can start making money when you have unique followers that engage with your post, or that want to be clicking wherever you tell them to click on your Instagram account. You might be surprised that somebody that have about 20,000 followers on Instagram is making more money than somebody that have about 100,000 followers. What matters is the type of followers you have. If you have unique followers and the niche you're into, that determines how much you make on Instagram. some niche are bigger than some. Like some entertainment niche don't make much, but you can, if being compared to some niche like woodwork niche, like finance niche, those niche tend to make a lot of money, in terms of links. So you, after signing up in with an affiliate network like Jumia or like Amazon Market Health, or a hosting platform like HostGator or Bluehost, after signing up for these platforms, you get your own trackable link, your unique affiliate link from these platforms, which I recommend that you use Google Shortener or Bitly, just like here, right here, where they use Google Shortener to shorten the link, because some affiliate links can be very, very long. So I recommend that you use these shorteners, either Google Shortener or Bitly, to shorten links. I also put the link of Google Shortener in the description down below, and also Bitly in the description as well. You can pick whichever one you want. They are both great tools to use to shorten your links. And after shortening these links, you put them on your bio section of your Instagram account, just like they did right here. You put the link on the bio section right here, because the links cannot exist on your post. All you have to do, you recommend on your post, all you have to do is you encourage your audience to click the link on your bio. You just add it as a text on your post, and sometimes they click on it, and by so doing, some of them convert. So what matters now, let's look at some traffic and strategy. The goal here, or your goal to start making money, at least in any niche at all on Instagram, is to get your account to up to 10,000 to 20,000 followers on Instagram. Then you can drive traffic using this method I just showed you right here, by encouraging by putting on your post that your audience, by telling people to click on the link on the bio. They should click on the link on the bio. So when you get up to 10,000, 20,000 followers, unique followers, I mean quality followers, people that engage regularly with your content or with your post, not just fake followers. Fake followers will not help in any way at all in making money. Just make sure you have real followers. So let's look at some example. Let's say you have 20,000 followers. I'll just bring up my calculator right here. Let's say you have 20,000 followers, and 10% click-through rate. That's about 10% people click on this section right here. Let's say 10% of people click right here. They click this. 10% of 20,000. So if we're looking at 10% of 20,000 times 10 divide by 100, that will be 2,000 people click on your affiliate link. So imagine 2,000 people click on your affiliate link, and your conversion rate is about 10%. 2,000 times 10 divided by 100 would be 200. 200 people convert. Okay, assuming that the product you're selling for the affiliate network, or the product you're affiliating for, is about $500. Imagine that you have about $500 product, and which the commission is 10%. So $500, which when you sell the product, a particular product, which is worth $500, they're giving you 10% commission. $500 times, let's start here. $500 times 10 divided by 100 will equal $50. So per sale, they will be giving you, the affiliate network will be giving you $50. So imagine that. Imagine the fact that you have 20,000 followers and 10% click-through rate and 10% conversions, which 10% of people purchase the product you're affiliated for, or the product you're selling, which is around 200 people purchasing. Times this number times $50. That's about 200 people giving you $50. You're making about $10,000. You're making about $10,000. Alright, so I'm just going to change this right here to $10,000 per month. You see how great this is. You're making about $10,000 just from this strategy right here I just showed you. So this requires a little bit of work, it requires a little bit of skill, and you just do this. The more you do this, the more you get used to it, and you try different strategies, or you try different methods in telling people to click the link on your bio, which is going to help you make a lot of money. So the bonus tip I promise you guys is right here. It's all about scaling using this same strategy, using paid traffic like Facebook ads, using Instagram influencers. You're paying some Instagram influencers around $20 to $50 or $100 to post about your own Instagram account. I'm talking about influencers that have about 1,500,000 followers, 2 million followers on Instagram. They can help your account grow. And another tip again in scaling is I recommend that you promote high affiliate products that have high commissions and high commissions, like 40 to 50% commission rates. I recommend you look at highaffiliateprograms.com. Just go to that website. You'll see different high affiliate programs like boat cruise, people that want to go for vacations, using private jets and all those cool stuff, or people that want to buy gold or silver. These are high products that when you sell one and they're giving you high commission, imagine how much you can be making just doing that. So that will be all for now, guys. Thanks for staying to the end of this video. So if you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and tick that bell icon so that you'll be notified of any videos that I release when I release them. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and drop your comment in the comment section down below. I'm here to help you guys through your entrepreneurial journey. So that will be all for now, guys. I'll be seeing you guys in the next video. Bye for now.